Oh, what up, YouTube? It's gonna be the first video, hopefully out of many. I'm gonna try vlogging. This is my 2003 RM85. You can notice it's got RM80 forks on it. I picked up the frame like that, but I haven't gotten rid of them because the triple clamps are pretty nice. And I mean, it works. But we're doing a full resto on this thing. As you can see, got her all back together. Polished the block. I just have an RM80 carb on there. I got a PWK28 coming in. I'm gonna go check and see if that's in today. I got the plastics and the tank off of it right now. You can see I got the stator and the coil off of it, as well as the CDI. I wasn't getting spark. I got it together and just threw that shit carb on just to see what it would do, and no spark, no good. So I'm getting it tested because I'm fucking far too retarded to read those manuals and use fucking multimeters and shit. Fuck. So hopefully I get a call back from St. Ange in the next fucking few weeks. They still got my brake pads for me. I rebuilt the caliper. Now it's just a matter of fucking getting some new pads. This thing's pretty chewed. Not much left to it, and don't have the other piece. Got a spare fucking Wiseco piston in here. Rings, bearings, you know, all the good stuff. Gasket for the head. And I got a Wiseco connecting rod to go in it. Right now it's got the hot rod's rod in it, and a stock piston, just with new rings. Cylinder I got honed by Bondi, and I got them to take on a new drain plug and forge the bottom end, so it's ready to rock. I mean, it's pretty hard to show you right now. I'm gonna get it off of this fucking bucket. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, otherwise, polish the pipe. Nice little DEP on there, you know what I mean? As far as that goes, this is pretty much just the list. I can, you know, get this thing running after that, and I'll probably flip it. That's pretty much what I do. I buy, sell, trade, you name it. I picked this bike up for $250 in a bunch of pieces. All the work from Bondi was like $200, and then, you know, parts and extras, I'm probably into it altogether about $1,000. But I mean, well, in the paint too, right? But once it's back together, it's pretty much a brand new bike. I mean, the only thing bothering me is the fucking forks, but I mean, with some Race Tech valves in there, you'd never notice a difference other than just looking at it. But yeah. I mean, before I had this, I just got rid of a 87 LTR 250R. I had an 86 RM80. That's where I got the Renthal bars from. And then I just slapped some like there's Sunline or some shit. Sunline grips on there. But yeah, this is hopefully the first of many videos. I'll get you guys updated once I have some more parts and the thing's fucking running. I'll probably beat the living shit out of it for, you know, opening season, and then you know, send her on her way for the right price. Should be able to get every dollar's worth of fucking $2,000. I mean, I can damn near blow the thing up and put all these nice freshes in it and, you know, let her go. You know, maybe if this channel picks up and people start watching this shit, you guys can help me decide what my next bike will be. I'm thinking either a KLX 300R, just because I want like a nice peppy little trail bike, something that's going to start every day. Reliability is key. I don't really want to fucking be shimming valves and all that type of crap with 4-strokes and 450s and 250s and all that crap. So, but I mean, for the same price, I found a pretty fucking nice RMZ 450. It's 2017. It's, like I said, it's a great price. It's pretty much, I could go either way. If I get the KLX, it'll be that new 2021, but, you know, maybe you guys can help me decide. But yeah, otherwise, that's pretty much it. We're ready to rock, man. We just need to fucking get that stator back, man. I'm gonna go see about that carb today. I also got some like little flashy things just to dress it up. Some blue spoke covers, you know, some blue nipple covers. And then I'm gonna probably order a new graphics kit and fucking plastics for it. But she's been a build, man. New pivot swing arm bearings and linkage. Yeah. My first fucking full motor build. So I figured I'd make her look pretty. Can't really see it shit light, but she shines up nice. She really does. But yeah, we should be able to get this thing going. Got a new tire back there to throw on as well. But yeah, I'll stop blabbing, YouTube. See you later. What up, YouTube? Another day in paradise. So we're headed up to Mom's house. Probably not gonna get the fucking packages we need. Get everything sent to my mom's place just because she's got a P.O. box and, you know, don't have to fucking worry about risking my shit getting left at my fucking front doorstep. I live in a pretty shitty fucking area. But we got the fucking dogs with us, stinking up the fucking place. How's it feel, Zoe? How's it fucking feel? Smelly fuckers. So yeah, tune back in once we get to this fucking mailbox up here. Fuck me. That'll be the spark plugs in here, boys. Give me a minute. Get out. It's not a fucking dog toy. Oh, they look pretty fucking beat. That's a 10-pack of BR10ES, I guess. Are they all the right fucking plugs? Yeah, they sure are. Well, that's one thing every man needs if he fucking tunes engines like I do, is fucking 10 spark plugs. Jesus fucking Christ. we're still waiting on that PWK28 carb and that dress up shit. I'm not really too fucking worried about that. I just want to see it make it here. Otherwise, we need that fucking stator and that fucking coil. Gotta see what they're up to. The CDI will be fine. If it's fine. But, like, there's no way of fucking testing it other than testing the stator and the coil. If the stator and the coil are good, then the CDI is fucked. But, like, 9 times out of 10, these fucking RM80s, RM85s, KX85s, KX100s, RM100s, the stator always goes in the fucking cocksuckers. They're pieces of fucking junk. They're like the size of my fucking thumb. 2 fucking coils that big. Piece of shit, really. So we'll get that dealt with. I'm gonna have a beer if there is one. No. So, boo. We'll get outside and get to work, I guess. Yeah. The hoopty lives another day. Made it up here another day. Gotta do some fucking yard maintenance today. See all those fucking bushes up here. This fucking lilac bush, it was so fucking overgrown. So, yeah, I cut all this shit down. It came from over there. And I gotta drag it all up behind where this fucking brown idiot's going. So that should be fucking entertaining. Put on my fucking Dundalk tuxedo and get to work, I guess. We're back in the garage. This place is a fucking mess. I got back from St. Ange earlier today. The stator is screwed, so I gotta get a rebuild kit. I'm gonna order that up. In the meantime, I'm gonna take this casing off and see if I can't just rewind it myself. Anyway, I got my pads in. Gotta put the caliper back on with those new pads. The coil's fine. I can't test the CDI until I get a good stator, so that's where I'm at on that. And the PWK28 came in. Don't know if the fucking camera will focus on that. But yeah, it's a PWK28. But we're gonna do that. I'm gonna get this dress up shit done on the wheels as well. And tidy up this garage. So that's pretty much where I'm at. I'm gonna leave this vlog there. That's vlog 1, mod vlog number 1. I'll have another update for you guys as soon as I have more parts for it. We're gonna get this thing going. We're gonna take it through the snow. We're gonna fucking beat the shit out of it. It'll be good. It'll be real good. And I think I decided on the RMZ 450. It's just bigger, faster, better. We'll go ahead and grab that bike. Finish this one up, and I don't know if I will get rid of this. Maybe I'll keep it. Who knows? But we're gonna get a truck too, and I got a little bit of a few things to do with the old scuffed Mitsu out there. I gotta get headers for it, tune for the headers, and a cat delete. It's got what does it have? It has oversized throttle body spacer, intake, straight pipe, straight pipe from the cap back. It's got a couple lightweight wheels on it, like flywheel and shit. And a couple other things that I'm not really thinking about, but it's kind of bolt-on built. It just needs to be tuned to really, take advantage of it. It's just a little beater. But I'm gonna need a truck for this season, moving the bikes around and shit. So I'm looking at an '08 Mark LT, Lincoln Mark LT. It's like an F-150, just a Lincoln. But yeah, I'll have more on that stuff in the next update. So make sure to like, subscribe, and you know, comment. Any comments, really, guys. Let me know if you like this idea. I'm going to just keep uploading until, you know, it comes into something. But enjoy, guys. Take it easy.